first thing is, if you're gonna rent property, keep in mind that the rental properties are a separate market from true residential. And like I said, my fourplex was perfect. They're very simple units. Renting my custom house in Virginia is a little bit different experience. And I had a beautiful hot tub there. Ultimately decided to remove the hot tub before I rented the property because of the liability and maintenance issues involved in it. So it's a little fancier property. So keep in mind is whatever's in there is oftentimes the landlord's responsibility, but the tenants aren't always as careful with things as owners are, and you end up getting lots of calls. So I've adopted some lease policies that I'll mention to you in a minute, but like my house has a whirlpool tub. Like I said, we took the hot tub, which was outside, out, and stuff like that, but it is still taking care of business. So sometimes looking at simpler properties is going to be an easier rental situation. May not rent for as much, but you may have long-term less maintenance on the property. And the other thing is parallel to that is the exterior of the property, especially if you're renting single-family homes, is getting people to take care of the outside of the house has also been a challenge. I've kind of specialized over the years in developing a not a minimalist approach to landscaping, but a low maintenance approach to landscaping. Planting perennial plants, bushes that don't need a lot of care. Today, in different markets, we look at drought-resistant plants. In Virginia, where my home is, up in Virginia that we're renting, we look for deer-resistant plants because the deers are not being hunted and they have overrun a lot of suburban neighborhoods and will eat just about anything. And so the nurseries up there actually have signs on them that say deer-resistant plant. Doesn't mean the deer won't eat it, they just will eat it last. So if they've eaten everything else in the yard, they will still eat those, but they'll eat them last. Maybe you'll have a fighting chance of having a few plants left at the end of